Welcome. In front of me is a STANLEY S241, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove a screen lock. As you can see, the device in front of me does have it. So to begin, we're going to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to actually shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold the power key and volume up, both keys together, to access the recovery mode. So now that the device is off, power key and volume up. Okay, and as you can see, there is the Android with normally in English it would say no command. So to bypass this, we want to hold the power key and tap a volume up once, so like so. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here we'll use volume keys to navigate, because as you can see, touching the screen doesn't really do anything. And with that in mind, let's select wipe data factory reset and confirm it with the power key, like so. And once more, select yes, delete all user data, like so, and confirm it with power key. Then on the bottom you will see formatting data, and then the last thing you should see is data wipe complete, like this. And we should be back in the main page of recovery mode. So all you need to do now, assuming reboot system now is selected, is press power key to confirm that. The device will now continue to do the hard reset of the device in the background, and might take a couple of minutes to turn back on, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the home screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and there is no more lock screen anymore, as you can see. So if I lock the device and unlock it, you will see there is no more lock screen. So that would be how you would perform a hard reset to remove that screen lock. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.